Hello everyone, this is Skylar from Airkey. Behind me is a freestanding ISO modular cleanroom. This cleanroom we built for a pharmaceutical customer in Canada. This cleanroom now it's been fully pre-assembled in our factory and ready to ship. Because the limited space in customer site, so this cleanroom we designed 2.4 meters, compact but fully functional. Let me show you some key features of this cleanroom. We use roadwood 70 panel. It's strong, fire resistant, and well isolated. The structure we use aluminum profile. With the Airkey's patented snap lock system, will make the on-site installation in customer site more easier and faster. Here is the integrated pressure gauge and control panel. We can turn on and off the light here. Also the FFU can also adjust the air speed here. Because customer has limited space on site, we design a transparent sliding door here. Now we are in the changing room. Customer will put a hand wash sink here. Let's go inside the main production area. We install sockets as a customer's request. The easy FFU on the top of the ceiling, low noise and low energy. The LED strip lights embedded into the ceiling grid. Clean and illumination even. We design 2 view windows so customer can check inside the cleanroom from outside. This cleanroom is CE GMP ISO 14644 standards. So if you are interested in a customized cleanroom, please feel free to reach out.